So when I first came to Dr. Estetica, I was really suffering with jaw ache, lots of pain, cracked teeth, aches, like tinnitus, sort of high-pitched noises coming into my ears as well when jaw was clicking. There are lots and lots of factors. I tried numerous different ways through using mouth guards and things like that, but although using mouth guards on our own was beneficial, it still really didn't stop the pain from occurring during the day. After doing a bit of research, I managed to find Dr. Estetica online, and I reached out, booked myself a consultation, came in, and started off with the first session. The first session, Dr. Bell was amazing. He checked through, realised I had quite a severe case, gave me quite an intensive dosage to make sure they could counteract the symptoms that were in place before. And straight away after the first treatment, obviously it made a massive difference. My jaw went from clicking to becoming silent, my jaw became slimmer here. It's so beneficial.